Well, it's time for me to go on a live session on the app, but before that, I just wanted to come here and talk a little bit about it because I know here we have a wider audience, and I know most of you, a lot of you can relate with this topic because this is very, very important. And जब भी हम किसी भी टॉपिक को लेकर के बात करते हैं ना, it is never biased. It is not about a woman or a man. We all are human beings and we all have gone through something like this, right? तो आपकी ज़िंदगी में भी sometimes you might have met somebody जो कि आपसे प्यार तो करता है, आपके लिए चीज़ें भी करता है, but you are always unsure about their presence. You always think there is something that is missing or they are not emotionally invested in you. That's exactly what I'm talking about, and these are the people that we cannot live without because they're so charming. There's an attraction that actually pulls us towards them, you know. So the fact of the matter is, why is someone emotionally unavailable at the first place? जिन लोगों को आप जानते हैं जो कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा short tempered हैं, आपके husband भी हो सकते हैं, your girlfriend must be like that, और जो आपके बारे में ज़्यादा वरी नहीं करते हैं, आपको ऐसा लगता है कि यार they say that they love me but then their actions are not matching with their words, and they're also very unpredictable. When I say unpredictable, that means that sometimes they are too much in love with you. They are like, I love you so much and I miss you so much and I can't live without you. And on the other hand, they are like, I'm not sure about us, you know. I don't know what will happen in the future. So there are 6 kind of first of all signs to look at people who are emotionally unavailable. Number 1 is denial. जो भी लोग आपसे इतना ज़्यादा closely connect नहीं करते हैं, they will always deny that they are not loving you. They'll always say that I'm there for you and I love you. Second of all, they're sometimes they are insensitive, sometimes they're overly sensitive about something. They react very unpredictably. You will not know what's coming next with them, especially, yeah. Third of all, they always keep you on your toes, which means you cannot trust them as a human being because they are never committing to you. They were never saying or never telling what's happening in their life. But the core, now coming to the core cause of it, because I cannot speak about it fully here, but इसका सबसे बड़ा reason ये होता है कि जिस इंसान के साथ आप हैं, हो सकता है कि उनका चाइल्डहुड बहुत ही ट्रॉमेटिक रहा हो. It happens when your father or your mother is emotionally unavailable too, which means when they wanted their mother to be around, they were busy with their job or they were not too much caring or they were not aware of their kids need, you know. तो वो चीज़ है, जैसे जब कोई बच्चा इन सब चीज़ों के थ्रू जाता है when he is about 3 years of age or 6 years of age, तो उसके दिमाग में ये साइकी डेवलप हो जाती है कि बिकॉज मेरे मॉम डैड मेरे साथ इमोशनली नहीं अटैच्ड थे, इसलिए मैं किसी और को ये चांस कभी नहीं दूंगा लाइफ में कि somebody can come and hurt me, because they have gone through that phase of expecting and not getting it. And these people usually, they don't have a memory, or these people don't have an experience of someone who has loved them truly. They have always been in this situation जहाँ पे वो सोच करके रखते हैं कि हम relationship में तो जाएंगे, we will have sex, we'll have a relationship, we'll go out with someone, but then we will not invest emotionally. Why? Because I don't want to get hurt. And I know this is one major problem that you are also single and you're not finding anybody right now at the moment, is because you are blocked in your head and you think that if I fall in love, I will be hurt again. But that's just how life is, you know. And some people are good at handling it and some people are really, really unavailable. So the idea is it can be worked upon. You can actually try and understand your partner better and try and make them talk. One solution that I can give is make them speak about themselves. Be a good listener and other than complaining, try to understand where they're coming from, you know. That's all. So yeah, I hope that helps. And if you want to know if you are somebody who's going through it right now, you can video call me just for $199 on Anveshijan app and have a discussion with me like this. You will be here on the screen as well, and I will take up your queries and answer it, because this is extremely, extremely important, and unfortunately no one seems to talk about it. I have been there. I have been around people who are extremely unavailable, and I have healed them, and I have had great relationships, and I have been unavailable for. This is coming from an experience of the people that I have been with and the clients that I have treated, and also from my own experience being on both the sides, being this side, being unavailable to someone, and from that side taking somebody's ignorance too. So yeah, take care of yourself. I'm gonna go live and I love you. Bye. Mwah. Right now.